Okay, part 2, the reassembling of the motor, the blade, the drum, and everything. So first thing first, those 3 plates here, you put it in order to be able to put the screws by underneath. It can be a bit of a hassle, but okay, like that. And put the motor first. Be careful not to move anything. With the 6mm Allen key, we tighten those screws. Okay, to plug the motor, this white wire here from the switch box goes with the pink of the motor, and any one of those 2 of the capacitor. Can take that kind of marret of a wire connector. We use these. And this white wire from the motor goes with the other end of the capacitor here. Okay, now we want to connect the back plate with the rest of the wires. Before you start, make sure this end of the back plate here, a bit of a ladder, goes there to match like this. Very important. All right. So this white wire here go with this black wire from the motor. This here goes with the timer. And like I said, this part here goes there. Make sure not to squeeze any wires underneath those little brackets here. And that's it. We're gonna put back those screws and the black trim, and the machine is almost ready to go. A quick note, just before you screw this, just make sure to test the machine before everything is put together. Now we're gonna put the hub back and the adjustment for the hub. So we put the hub, put the keyway, sometimes it's pretty hard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then put the drum. And what you want to do for the adjustment here, the end of this the edge goes not halfway of the end, the beginning of the bend and the end. Okay, about it's not a rocket science, but. And now we screw the set screw. So we should be a bit of restriction, but it's all good. That's for the hub. And now for the final step, you want to put back the blade. To do so, you take off the drum. So the adjustment has been done. Take off the drum. And you have your 4 screws. There's 2 with the spring. Put on the same side. And you want to feel the screw coming at the end of these nuts. So just at the very moment you feel the screw with your finger, stop it right there. Do the same. Okay, and the same thing for the other side. As soon as I feel the screw, I stop. And now you want to count between 30 and 35 half turn of the screw for each one. So 1. Before you adjust the blade, put back the drum. And now you count 30 half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. The machine is ready to work. So put on some weed and have fun.